Hi everyone, my name is Anastasia and I live in Canada, city of Brockville in Ontario from June the 22nd, 2022 under the CUAT program with a valid work permit. The population here is only about 22,000 people. For Ukraine is like an urban village, but here in Canada it's a city. For example, in Mariupol, sometimes the population was about 700,000. The difference is colossal, and it's very unusual for me. When I looked for a place to live in Canada, I can help that host worked. I texted to a man from Kingston. It's a larger city than Brockville. He offered help to several women from Ukraine. Unfortunately, the day before, they had already occupied the last available room of their house. However, he mentioned that there is a community organization in Brockville that help with accommodation for Ukrainians. Although the town is small, it's positioned as a tourist town, so I thought it would be nice to try living here. I agreed, and we had a video call with a video chat with the representatives of the United Welcome organization and assigned me a host family. They also asked if I have money for a ticket, since they could help with that too. As I found out later, they actually sponsor the immigration of many refugees. In Dada, they just bought me a train ticket from Toronto since I wasn't sure how to do it correctly. In Canada, things really happen differently. Brockville is one of the oldest cities in Canada. The Canadian flag was invented here, and the first railway tunnel was built. Several factories located here. I thought it would take 40 minutes by train or bus from Brockville to get to Kingston. A little over an hour is Ottawa. It's like going from other end of Mariupol to another. I thought it's great. It looked attractive. Upon arrival in Brockville, my host, an 82-year-old Canadian woman who drives a BMW convertible, was waiting for me. There'll be a separate story about her. At the rail station, there were also a couple of Canadians with a larger car to take my luggage, and several Ukrainians with a flag. It was very pleasant and expectant and cold. I hadn't thought about immigration yet. I needed a safe place to live. Now I know that in order to stay in Canada, Ontario may be not the best province. Now I have something to say about living Ukrainian woman in Canada. So I decided to share my refugee experience on YouTube. My next video is about finished for downloading, so see you then.